Welcome to PR Learning Lab. My name is Simran Naudiyal and today in this video we are going to discuss that how to print multiple layouts on one page. Before I start, I kindly request you to please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications. So, let's start. So this is my artwork and I want to print multiple copies of my artwork on one page. So first, hit Ctrl R on your keyboard. You will see the rulers up here and here. These are the rulers. If you want to change the unit type, just right click here and you can select the unit you want. I will go with inches. Just click on the ruler, hold and drag. You will see the blue line. These are called the guidelines. I am placing the first guide here at the 0 and the next here at the last. Now I am going to make a grid from these guidelines as I want multiple copies of my artwork in a single page. So I will divide through these guidelines the page equally. So according to my rulers, I am placing these guidelines like this. Rulers helps to make equal grids. You can make the grids equally by calculating from the rulers. Like this. So I have divided this equally. Now I am going to place my artwork here first. And now I am going to copy it by pressing and holding the Alt key and simply drag and place it here. Now I am going to copy both of them and drag below. So now I have multiple copies of my artwork divided equally. Now just save this file as a PDF file as it is the ideal file format for printing. Give a name to your file, set the format to PDF and click Save. Now I am going to open that PDF file which I have just saved. So this is your file and these are the multiple layouts in a single page. And now you are all set to print it. So this is how you can print multiple layouts in a single page. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.